ऑन हो गया.
Hello friends, I am Abid Merchant and I am currently studying in Vishwakarma Government Engineering College. And as a part of CPDP project, I am here to take an interview with Mr. Malik Merchant, and I like to ask some questions to broaden our knowledge. So Mr. Malik Merchant, my first question to you would be that as you know that in a span of life we have to struggle many problems and face many problems and we try to overcome them. So I think you would have been facing many problems. So how did you overcome them and reached here?
Okay, let me start with my background. I'll tell you my background, what is my background. I've done my 12th science and then I did my electrical engineering, BE electrical from University of Pune. Then I worked for some time in India with Schneider Electric. Then I went to UK, I did my postgraduate diploma in business management. I stayed there for 2 years, then again came back, and at the moment I am working with CNS Electric Limited as a senior engineer, sales and marketing, Western region. As you said that challenges you need to face, that is a very true thing, because as soon as you start your career, as soon as you start the schooling, right from schooling you will face challenges. There are the challenges, the forms are different in the school. Then again when you come to college, again those challenges you need to face. Those challenges are again in the separate form. When you start your career, again you have to face those challenges. Those challenges again are in a different form. But since you start your journey of life till the end of life, it is full of challenges only. Only the thing is that the forms are different. But yeah, challenges you need to face. And if you take my background, I am actually from Nasik. I did my engineering from there, then I went to UK. Now I am living in Gujarat, in Ahmedabad. So this is altogether something very different for me, right from start. So I have faced many challenges right here when I came to India. When I came back from UK, I have never been to Ahmedabad. And I see you get some all of a sudden shocks also. I applied for Pune and they gave me Gujarat, and I wanted to take the opportunity. So I did not panic. I took the opportunity, came here, got settled in 6 months, and then I'm okay now. So yeah, you need to face challenges.
No, nowadays youngsters are told that they should have the focus or the goal of their life and the field of interest ready in their mind from the very start of their career. So were you initially prepared that I will go in this field, that this is my field of interest?
Okay, see, nowadays the technology and the guidance, the form of that is very enhanced, it is very advanced. There are so many technologies which actually tell you what are your strengths, what are your weaknesses. Earlier this was not the case, but in my case, yeah, I wanted to go for engineering, but I wanted to do computer engineering. I wanted to go for computers, IT, but at that time the admission was centralized for the entire university, and it goes through merit list. The college which I wanted, I got electrical engineering, I didn't get computers. So yeah, I wanted to do computers and I got it electrical, but the engineering field is the same. As you know, like hardcore choral is something different, but in general engineering is engineering. So that's fine, I did cope up with that, but my focus was computer engineering, but at the moment I am happy with electrical engineering.
So you would have faced many twists and turns in your life.
Yeah.
So would you like to share some of them with us?
Challenges, as I told you, that I am from a very different background. I am from Maharashtra, and at the moment I am here in Gujarat. In between I went to UK, which was again a turn. It's a big turn. It was a big twist in my life that I took the decision of doing postgraduate diploma and going to UK. Because when I started my career, I used to hunt my jobs like anything. I used to go to the industrial area, to each and every small manufacturing company and ask for jobs. Because in 2002-2003 the scenario was very bad. Didn't have jobs. So I started my career with 4,000 rupees per month with Schneider Electric as a design engineer. And then I got to know the need of something extra which should boost your career. That's why I took the decision and I went to UK and did my postgraduate diploma. and then came back, and now I'm settled in UK. So yeah, there are, as I told you, it starts from your schooling.
Yeah.
The challenges starts from your schooling, and entire your life, when you work, when you get retired also, the challenges you need to face. As far as profession is concerned, definitely in work also there will be too many twists and turns. Sometimes you need to change your career also.
So you face many challenges in your life, but right now, are you facing challenges and problems right now in your career?
See, as such, as far as career is concerned, now that I've got more than 10 years experience, I'm completely into the field. So that way, I might face less challenges compared to someone who is a junior or who is a fresher. But as I told you, even if the company CEO is there, even if it's a managing director, they have their own problems, they have their own challenges to be faced. Nowadays, the economy is going down, getting sales and up to the commitment becomes difficult. So in that way, yeah, we do face challenges.
So my last question of this interview would be that what would be your message to the youngsters or the youth coming up in your field, that what mindset they have and what preparation or planning they should have to be success in your field and like that.
See, I'll tell you that you need to plan right from start, beginning of the career. I'll suggest you plan since you are in school itself. I think the parents should plan for them, and the most important thing is that you should go into your interest only. That is the most important thing. The point is, before you start your career, find out the strengths in yourself. Those are the main things. Sometimes we don't recognize what strengths we have. Try to analyze them, try to find out the strengths, and focus on those strengths and go in the field in which those strengths will be helpful to you. That will help you to do better. The results will be better. And then the most important thing is, if you do something which you like, then you will get a job satisfaction, which is more important. So I think, yeah, that is the most important thing, and you should not get panic in life. Don't get panic. There are sometimes you will have to face very bad challenges. I mean, it is something very bad will happen to you as well. But you should not panic. I think try to be positive, and whatever you do it 100%. Focus on it. Do yourself, do 100%, and then leave the results to God. But make sure that you have given your 100%, so that you should have that satisfaction. And yeah, I think that is the main thing. Planning you should do, and find out your strengths and go it in that field itself.
Thank you for sharing your innovative ideas, and it will definitely broaden our minds in that field.
Sure. All the best to all the graduates.
Thank you.
Thank you.